Hi everyone, this is part 3 of my planting series. Today we're going to be potting up the Goldsturm, red hollyhocks, Daylilies, Stella d'Oreo, Purpurea, some of these are hard to pronounce. I got these pots at the Dollar Tree. Not bad for $1. 6 of these. I just punctured holes through the bottom. Philip had a screwdriver and a hammer and put filters in there. And I'll be back to show you as I plant these. Okay, now we got the Purpurea in here. And this says 2 on the package, so it shows to put a hole on each side. Then you just put it in like this, and we'll cover that with dirt. And then we got the daylilies. This one here's a tall one, and there's a little one down here on the side. And we're going to fill this up with dirt. Let's move this out of the way. I still have a little bit of dirt in this bag it came in. Okay, I'm just going to dump the dirt in here, cover that up, and the dirt in this one. Cover this up. And I'll put more dirt in here. Okay, now we got the other 2, Rudbeckia Goldsturm, and this is the red hollyhocks. Now this one seemed like it was all in a mass, so I'm just going to lay it in there and cover that up. This one here, there was 2 here, and there was a stem, so I'm going to put this stem upward, and this stem here is upward. Then we'll pot these ones up. Just going to dump this. This is Miracle Grow with all good nutrients and fertilizer already in it. Put that in. And I'll add more dirt to it. And we'll go outside and give it some water. And I can show you an update on my stuff that's out there and what's growing already. Okay, now we're back outside. Nice, bright, sunny day. I believe it's about 70s out here. We're going to be watering these. Water them well. And a funny thing, I have found these out by the fence I put out there at the end of summer last year, and they're coming back. So that was good. Like this one here, I was saying I don't know some of what these are, but that's okay. We'll find out. Water all these up. I also have a lily of the valley I got to plant too. Still on the porch. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.